Good morning. Hopefully by this point you've been in the class and looked around a little bit. One of the things you'll notice is of course the forums, but also you'll notice some lectures. I uploaded them yesterday. These are not mandatory per se, as I don't suppose I'll ever know that you watch them, but I do highly encourage you to do it. I basically put 2.5 weeks worth of lectures into an hour total, but I broke them up into 15 and 20 minute segments. So you could watch one and walk away and then come back and watch the next one. The reason I encourage you to watch it isn't for the lovely face. That's sarcasm for those that you don't know, that don't know me. But also, more importantly, for I'm going to point out in my lecture, you want to know this for your test, etc. The only drawback to the book that you have in front of you is there's no index. And so this will be kind of your way of hopefully finding where terms are. But otherwise, you know, it's supplemental and gives you a little bit more color, so to speak, to what you're reading. But it's pretty easy. It's really straightforward to read. Probably one of my favorite parts of the book, in that it is just such a simple read. So please make sure that you do that first and foremost, but the lectures hopefully will just serve to help you prepare for the quiz. Next thing I want to point out is tomorrow, which would be Wednesday, you have your first deadline. You've got a couple of forum posts to make. You need to post your introduction. I want to know who you are and be able to tell everybody else in the class a little bit about yourself. And then, of course, there is the first posed question. Now, if you didn't notice, there is not homework this week. In Error, Learning House had posted the homework for this week, which I fixed that yesterday. So there's not technically homework unless you call the forums homework, which I suppose in some sense it is. And that's just to kind of keep things flowing and on track and get your feet wet this week. You will have a quiz, obviously, that opens Friday just after midnight. But anyway, hopefully this will kind of get you on track. If you've got some questions, let me know. I encourage you to use me as a resource so that hopefully you'll feel comfortable and successful this next 6 weeks. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.